Hi, I am Dikshita.
Hi, my name is Namrata. Hi, Ananya.
States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Bezpur. Bihar, Patna. Chandigarh, Jaipur. Sikwa, Banadi. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Mysore. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus. Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyesha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Pangula.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilnadu, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments. Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dalarendre, Shivarankaram, Mashi Venkatesha Iyengar, B.K. Goka, B.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambala.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghnad Saha, Satyendranath Bose, Anu Bobdekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Major cities in India.
Major